try and do this in under 3 minutes. So I go into my pipelines, I select my engineer's pipeline. I've got 491 cold, 854 warm, 661 higher ready, based on their real-time engagement scores. I go into the segment I'm interested in this case London. I've got 23 cold, 54 warm, and 26 higher ready. So I go into my higher ready candidates, and it's going to bring up all these candidates. On the right-hand side, we'll be able to see when they were last active. That's how it will be naturally filtered, but I want to filter according to the engagement score. And I'll go into this candidate who's got the highest engagement score, Mariana Tattersfield. That's bot-generated data. So at the top, I've got some summary information about the candidate, and then a bit further down, I can see exactly what she's been doing. So I know what to say to her when I make contact, which I can do from Candidate.ID by email or by text message. I want to build a new campaign, so I go into the campaign builder, and then I will build a new campaign. So new, we'll call it SE for software engineers. Call it a lead gen campaign. Select the pipeline, which is going to be my engineers. I want new candidates to come into the pipeline. Yes, I want to make it live Mondays to Fridays between 9 and 11. It's not a great time, but it'll do. Save this, and now it's going to bring up the campaign builder, and it's allowing me to select a million different combinations of things that I can have happen. So I just select from the node here. And what do I want to happen? Do I want to send them an email? Do I want to send them a text message? Do I want to modify their tags? Do I want them to move to campaigns? Do I want to change their engagement scores? This is all automatic based on triggers. Did the candidate open the email? Did they visit the URL? Did they click on the asset? Did they click on the form? If they did, it'll trigger an action. If they didn't, it'll trigger an action. I want more candidates, so I go into my job board search. And this is going to allow me to search from over 300 different locations, depending on what you've got access to. I've only got access to 4 different things on this demo account, but let's take a look at LinkedIn in particular. I'll make it relevant to you. Let's look at Java and JavaScript. LinkedIn Basic. And the location is going to be Australia, specifically Melbourne. Search the job boards, and this is going to bring up a list of candidates who are relevant. It's going to show me their match against those search terms with a percentage, and then I'm going to be able to select the candidates and parse them into Candidate.ID if I want to. So this person's come up top with a 99% match. I just click on here and then save the candidate. It will know which pipeline to put her into. And then it will automatically trigger a sequence of communications out to her if that's what I want to do. Hope it's been interesting.